Welcome back and thank you for staying with us here on India Today. Joining me live now is a woman who has done India proud. Guneet Monga joins us as India-based documentary Period. End of Sentence created history. This by winning the best documentary short subject at the Oscars. Joining me now is Guneet Monga. Guneet, thanks so much for joining us here on India Today. First up, what a sensational feeling. It must be surreal for you. Has it sunk in that you all have won the Oscars?
No, actually, it hasn't. I mean, we have just gotten home. It is around.
It's almost 2.
Yeah, it's almost 2 a.m. in the night. And it hasn't. I mean, we were just shivering, crying, screaming. I don't know. This is the biggest honor in our industry, in our profession, and just very, very humbled and very grateful for the Academy for choosing our short doc.
You know, I must say that Indian cinema, of course, seems to have come of age, and this is a very much a testimony to the fact that Indian cinema definitely has come of age. You have made a movie about menstruation. Of course, it is called Period, End of Sentence as well.
Yes.
You know, so what would you like to say about the topic? What inspired you to take this topic up?
I think it is. पहले तो मतलब firstly it's a every month thing. It's very common and it's very normal. And I think even in the film we try to normalize the conversation. I really want men and boys to get included in the conversation. Mandakini actually worked on floor on the shoot. She was a producer on the floor for us at Sikya, and we started this whole conversation in the village. So with this film, a mini revolution happens inside the film, and now we are seeing a mini revolution outside the film.
You know, when you have topics like this taken up, the discourse grows in media about it. People going to watch the movie also start having conversations about it. So it creates a kind of a normal situation to a stigma which is already attached in society. Were you thinking about that before making the film?
Yes, you know, I've always said that when we started the film, it started with schoolgirls in Oakwood taking the initiative and raising the money through bake sales and yogathons and Kickstarter campaign, and raised money, crowdfunded and raised money to make this film. It started with that. When I heard the story that they were putting together this money to make this film in India, to make a short film, I said, you know, we are going to change the world. I said this to them that time. I think now with the Oscars, we are actually ready to go change the world. So yes, let's do this.
You know, I must bring to the attention of our viewers as well, Guneet, that Sikya, that production house, which is based out of Mumbai. We all know the Mumbaikars, of course, are very well aware of Sikya because great films have come out of that production house, whether it was Lunchbox, Peddlers, Masan as well, and now, of course, Period, The End of Sentence. What next for all of you right there at Sikya? A bunch of very talented producers and filmmakers in that production house doing some great exemplary work.
Yes, I think Mandakini should have answered that.
I mean, we're just really, really happy that we're doing work that is getting recognized. Oscars is like the highest honor that possibly can be received. And Sikya, I think, has a lot of interesting projects that are coming up.
And I think for me, success is to just show up every day and continue doing what we are doing. And actually to celebrate us, celebrate women every day. And I think the conversation is more important now than ever. So yeah.
Did you ever think before getting on to that red carpet, were you scared whether you will win, whether you would make it, whether you would not make it? What were the feelings that you were going through when you were on that red carpet with the best of the entire world, and then you finally getting the final prize?
We were just really happy we came this far. We started with a small dream an English teacher, Melissa Burton, started this dream in LA, and we all joined forces. For me, all the girls in the film, from Hapur to LA to every woman attached to this film is already a winner. And it really, really meant a lot for us to be just nominated.
And
so
yes, go on, sorry.
Winning is just beyond humbling, and we demand change. I think now is the time.
Absolutely. Tell us a little about the PAD project on which this particular movie is made. You spoke about Melissa Burton as well and her PAD project that inspired you to take up a topic like this and make a film out of it.
So this started with schoolgirls in LA. They had read a story that girls in the village in India are unable to attend school because of periods, and not because of, and they don't have proper hygiene. That's when Action India, an NGO based in Delhi, introduced the English teacher Melissa Burton through Feminist Majority Movement NGO, a foundation in LA. They introduced about their village Hapur, which is in UP, that they were working there for the last 10 years about this. In fact, Action India has been working for 40 years on reproduction rights and now for 10 years on menstruation. And that's when Mandy went there and saw the situation on what is the situation of girls on ground and why they're not attending schools and what is the shame. And that's when the journey of following this film started.
Did you ever think you'll be able to normalize the word period? Because today as well, in the, if you go to tier 2 cities, tier 3 cities, rural area, on a dining table in the evening, families cannot talk about menstruation, or the word period also is something which is absolutely frowned upon. Are you looking forward to being that change maker and bringing about that kind of a revolution in India when we get to see this in India as well?
So firstly, I think Mandy should tell you about what happened in the journey of the film. So the year long of following Hapur girls.
I think we've already bought a revolution because if you go to these villages today, you will find that the pads are being openly sold. Men are working on the machine as well, which is unheard of. People are talking about the subject. People are openly discussing the subject. They are in fact coming up and actually asking the Action India workers on ground, how they can help, what they can do about it. There is so much more awareness than there was when we started this journey.
And it's great that Muruganathan sir made this machine, empowered so many women, and now the functioning on daily basis is what NGOs are taking up. It's a process, but we are getting closer by the day.
All right, one last question before we let you go. I've been told to wind it up, but when do we get to watch this movie in India? Because of course this is movie which has put the film and Indian film industry on the global stage.
It's live on Netflix. Please watch it on Netflix. And Netflix has opened the whole world on it. We've also made a foundation here to continue the change, and donations from around the world have poured in. And it's amazing. It's really a revolution that's happening. And when you see the film, you'll see how the girls inside are so empowered. And now the whole world is watching it, donating, and being a part of the conversation. We are just so grateful. Thank you. And we want to continue doing this.
That's fantastic. Congratulations once again. There you go. Guneet Monga making India proud at Oscars 2019 with her film, period. The end of sentence. We're taking a very short commercial break. Appreciate you joining us right here.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.